Okay, welcome back. Hi, JA.
Hello, Joanne.
Okay, we have an exciting lesson today. I will guide you and our students on how to create a comprehensive media plan. I'm not sure if you're familiar what a media plan is.
For the sake of the newbies, myself included, ano ang media plan?
Alright. So, dun sa previous lesson, sabi ko, di ba, understanding yung business or service or yung customer journey, lahat ng yun ilalagay mo sa media plan. It's a document po na yun yung magiging basis mo pag i-build mo na yung campaign. So, lahat ng information, doon mo ilalagay.
Alright. Sige. So, yun pala ang media plan. Okay. If we're creating a media plan, para sa anong business?
Good question. For this one, we'll use a real example from an online music school na I helped start in 2020. So we'll be promoting one of the services, which is yung kanilang online guitar lesson. Using the media plan, we'll be creating customer persona, and we'll be diving deeper dun sa buyer's journey. Plus, meron tayong pinrepare na media plan template that you can use for your clients or for your own business. So, ito yung same template na ginagamit namin sa agency namin. You can get it sa course resources. So, now, tama na yung mga kwento. So, I'll be showing my screen. We'll go through the media plan together. I'll also show you yung sinabi kong online music school tsaka yung service. So, I'll share my screen now.
Alright.